What's up, everybody? Wanted to do a little video recap here of the day trade scalp that we did on Google on Friday. Just talk about kind of the levels that we were looking at, what we saw with the chart, and how we let our account grow 10% just in about 20 minutes on Friday. So first thing we did was on the daily chart here, we were looking at candles, and this candle that you can see here, the Wednesday candle, it provided for Thursday an inside day. So the Thursday candle closed in between the high and the low of the Wednesday candle. So what we were looking at was a break of price either below the Wednesday high or above the Wednesday high, I should say, or below the low of the Wednesday candle. And we were going to play puts or calls either way. So we marked off some levels. And this green line that you see here, this solid green line, is where the candle closed Wednesday. The high of that candle, I should say, not where it closed, but the high of that candle on Wednesday is this solid green line here. So that's a pretty important level that we were keeping an eye on. With the price closing above it, we were going to look at calls. Price being below it, we were going to look at puts. So when the candle opened for the day on Friday, we had a big sell-off and broke underneath this line, the green line that we were talking about. So could have looked at puts there. We don't usually trade in the beginning of the day, so we were just keeping an eye on price, and we noticed a kind of a rounding pattern and a cup and handle shape that you can see here. I'll make it really big, forming after a few hours, and it came up and it touched this price point again, and then it rejected off, but the EMA clouds were kind of holding it up nicely and using it as a nice support. And when we noticed that the cup and then the handle started to form, we started to be on a lookout for a price break above this green line here. And that's exactly what happened. You can see with this candle I'm highlighted right now, as soon as the price broke over and closed on the 10-minute time frame, we entered calls, targeting the pre-market high with this dotted green line up here. So if we look at that, the measured move from down here of around 196 up to the 197.75, a $1.75 or 2-point move from this zone here, but anywhere between $1 to $2 is a price target. And then this just happened to line up right in between that. So that's what we were looking for. We entered our calls here, and then within 20 minutes, the candle shot up, touched that price, and we exited for a nice 10% gain on our account. And you can see that the candles touched that line and then rejected off, and then Google continued to sell off for the rest of the day. But a nice, easy 10% gain in about 20 minutes, just using a few markers and indicators and strategy that we like to look at here. You had the inside day and those support and resistance levels, combined that with that cup and handle pattern, gave us a nice target to that pre-market high. So nice, easy gain there. If you got any value or learned anything from this video, just hit that like or subscribe button and follow along, and be making more videos like this for you soon.